गोवा बोर्डाच्यो 12वेच्यो परीक्षा 26 एप्रिल ते 24 मार्च मेरेन चलतले. कला, वाणिज्य आनी विज्ञान अभ्यासक्रमाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्यो परीक्षा 26 एप्रिल ते 24 मार्च मेरेन चलतले. जाल्यार वेवसायीक अभ्यासक्रमाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्यो परीक्षा 28 फेब्रुवारी ते 14 मार्च मेरेन चलतले, अशी म्हायती गोंय माध्यमीक आनी उच्च माध्यमीक मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष सावंतान दिल्या. चले 8,825 जाल्यार चलयो 9,325 मेळून वट्ट 18,150 विद्यार्थी अंदूच्या परीक्षेक बसतले. विद्यार्थ्यांच्यो हॉल तिकेटी मंडळाच्या वेबसायटी वयल्यान डावनलोड करचे अशें अध्यक्ष सावंतान कळयलां.
This year's higher secondary school certificate examination, that is 12th standard, will start from 26th February 2020 and will get over on 24 March 2020. The vocational examination will start from 28 February 2020 and will get over on 14th March 2020. Now total number of students appearing for this examination through various streams are Arts 4,541, Science 5,133, Commerce 5,601 and Vocational 2,922. So altogether 18,150 students are appearing for 12th standard examination. Out of this, the number of boys appearing is 8,825 and girls 9,325. So this examination will be conducted across 18 centers all over Goa. We have appointed the conductors as well as observers for the same. The timetable has been already sent to the schools and we are also sending very soon the hall tickets as well as the students list to the schools. Now the one change we have made this year, earlier the schools used to come here personally to collect the hall tickets and the students list, but this year they are supposed to download the hall tickets as well as the students list from our website.